Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to add a Discord music bot to your Discord server on mobile. So if you're looking for a based and easy bot to play music on your server, follow these easy steps. First of all, on your mobile, open a browser and search for Greenbot and open this first link, and we are going to add and use these green bot to our server to play music, and this bot is really easy to handle. Once you are here, tap on add to Discord and tap on login, authorize. Now scroll down and search for a server where you want to add this music bot. Just tap on invite the bot. Tap on continue, authorize, ensure that you are not a robot. Once the green bot added, launch your Discord app and go to the server where you just added the green bot. And now, first of all, join a voice channel to play music. Once you are in a voice channel, minimize it. And now to play music, type this command /play and select this greenbot command. And here type the song name and artist name that you want to play. And send this command. I'm going to mute my volume. And here we can see the song is playing. If you want to pause the music, tap on pause. By tapping on skip, you can skip any music. To stop the music, tap on stop. So using this green bot, we can easily search for a specific music to play in our server. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.